Well, this is solving the mystery of the loan car I've been given, and I can reveal it's a Nero EV 4 trim. It's got the alternate back grey panels and the bottom. It doesn't look too bad. I'm glad it's a 4. You notice the sunroof is a lot smaller. And there we have it. Hello and welcome to my new studio, which is the Nero EV 4 trim, which is the top level of Nero EV you can get in the UK. It's not bad as a hire car, it's acceptable, and it's electric, which is the main thing. So just a quick update on what's happening with Elvira, my EV6. They took it to bits and they're waiting parts. They can't give me a timescale yet, which is why they've given me this hire car. Kia provides the hire car, so it's not via the dealer. It's cheaper for Kia to do it directly. So who knows when I'll get the parts, but it's just mad that it takes so long to get parts. The service manager was telling me it's not just Kia that are slow on getting parts, also Ford, because they still deal with Ford from being a previous Ford dealer. They have issues there as well, so I don't know what's going on with all of the parts and all the manufacturers, but they all seem to be on a go slow, it would seem. So, not good. If I open Kia Connect, you'll see I've now got two cars. I've got my car on and I've got a Nero on there, but you can switch between them. Like that. And if I do a status check on my EV6, notice that you'll see, if you look in the vehicle management, vehicle reports, that it's got lots of things disconnected. Stability controls disconnected, integrated braking and body control system, driver assistance systems, tyre pressure monitoring system is on, and airbag system is off. I've been down to see my car, which is on the front of the local dealer, and the dash is all in bits and everything's stripped off. So it's going to stay that way until the parts arrive. But at least I've got this, and it's not an ICE car, it's not a petrol or diesel car, and I can charge it off my solar, so it won't cost me anything extra. And it's still a very good car, this. There's a few things missing, but you know, at least I've got this now, so it's just a matter of waiting. The dealer's been excellent. I can't blame the dealer for the slowness of getting the hire car. They've just got the usual Kia processes to jump through. There's a waiting time. They have to diagnose the car, and then there's a 48-hour wait before they can order the hire car, once they know it's going to be several weeks. So I knew it would be like that, so I didn't push for it. Of course, I will do a few videos on the differences between the EV6 and the Nero EV Model 4. What the differences is, because it's more apparent to me what the differences are and what the similarities are. Also, while I've got my car down there, just sitting outside the garage on the dealer forecourt, I've asked them to investigate whatever happened to my active sound design, which has been missing since July last year, when I had my Meridian amp swapped. Now I didn't push to get this done because I had other priorities and other updates to get done, so I left this as a low priority, but now's the time for them to do it and do any other updates whilst it's sitting around. That's just a quick update. Thanks for watching.